Stay in the yard. Gate's wide open. Charlie peeing. It's the full run of the backyard. There is a full fence back there, so they don't go anywhere. It's where we store our wood and stuff for the fire. Fire pit's there, where all the sticks are. That's the empty lot next door we use. Charlie and I are going to go for a walk in a minute. I normally get them to do business in the yard so that the walk is more of a journey and not a job. We'll walk down to the mailbox and then we'll walk back. Hurry up! I've given Charlie the command to poo. He's just looking for a spot. Hurry up! Having a little bit of a hard time because of the snow. But as you can see, it doesn't take long for him to do what he's told. Give Charlie a reminder. Hurry up, Charlie! And there you go. Command works. We'll just let him do his business and walk towards the front of the yard. Good boy, Charlie! And he comes and returns and walks by. Knows to stay in the yard even if the gate is open. So you teach your dog how to do that too. He eats snow, but that's just when he's outside. He won't eat it in the house, bring it into the house or anything like that. He's a great dog. Charlie, sit. Good boy. Shake. Good boy. Sit. Shake. Good boy. Down. Belly. Good boy, Charlie. Get bellies. Gonna go for a walk. Okay, sit. Charlie, sit. Back up. Back up. Back up. He knows to back up. He's just having too much fun in the snow. You want to go for a walk? Charlie knows the side of the leash and knows what he's supposed to do when we go for a walk. Don't you, Charlie? Sit. Good boy. And we will. I'm holding the camera and doing this all with one hand. Some dogs are not this calm-tempered, but this is what Charlie learned in the amount of stay that he has been here. That he needs to sit and wait for walk time. Alright, Charlie, let's go. Oh, and we dropped our bag. Thank you for showing us, Charlie. Good boy. Now Charlie will stay on my left, basically at knee length with his shoulder, and if not, we give him a nice reminder. we will get Charlie to sit before we go any further, because I have to put the camera away. So I will see you again in a few minutes.